welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new on my channel, please do subscribe and join the fam. Would really love to have you as part of the family. And if you are already a member of the Double A gang, you are my day one. I really appreciate you guys for coming back to watch another video. I really appreciate you for your continuous support. So please don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, and like this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know how you feel about this look, honey. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you how I achieve this glowy, this dewy makeup look. And if you're interested to see all of that, then please keep on watching, and I'll be using only drugstore products. So yeah, if you are barely on a budget, in this channel, I always plug you guys with the best affordable makeup products. So yeah, if you're interested to see all of that, then please keep on watching, and yeah, let's get straight into the video.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is prepare my eyelids for the eyeshadow using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. And then after that, I'm using my AA Beauty Cosmetics Bloom eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna take that very light brown shade and just apply it all over my lid. And then to prime my face, I am using the Wet n Wild hydrating serum. And then after that, I'm gonna use the Ashes setting primer as well. So primer spray, I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna spray that all over my face. You want to make sure that your skin is well hydrated before you apply your makeup, so that everything will be flawless, period. And for my foundation, I'm using the Cryolan foundation. I'm gonna put it in the screen. Anyway, all products that I'm using gonna be in the description box down below, so just check that out. And then to blend my foundation, I am using a flat foundation brush, and I'm just gonna blend that all over my face. This foundation is a bit darker than me. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's a bit darker, but I still wear it. And then to highlight my face, I'm using the same concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm gonna use my beauty sponge to blend that out. Please make sure that your beauty sponge is damp and it's not dry, and yeah, that will give you a flawless finish. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with a lighter concealer, this one from Wet n Wild. And yeah, because that one doesn't really highlight my face, but because I used this foundation which is darker than me, so that concealer actually did the job. Because that concealer is exactly my skin shade, but yeah. And then to set my concealer, I'm using the Revlon Candid powder in the shade 002. Guys, this powder is really good, and I'm just setting my face and not baking. I'm just gonna bake my nose because I want it to be snatched. Yeah, what was I saying? That powder is very good. I highly recommend and it's a very affordable. I think it's 150. So yeah, if you're looking for the best drugstore powder, then don't look no further. And then to contour my face, I'm using the Scarlet Hell contour palette, and I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my big forehead, 5 head and my nose. And then for blush, I'm gonna be using the AA Beauty Cosmetics palette. This is the only blush I use at the moment. I literally say this on all my videos. I love it, it's the best. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks. And then now I'm just dusting off the powder, and yeah, let's make sure everything is clean and smooth and smoother. And then for highlighter, I'm using the Essence Cosmetics, sorry, highlighter, glow highlighter, and I love it. And then to set my face, I'm using the MAC Fix setting spray, and yeah, I love the setting spray, it's very hydrating. And moving on to my lips, I am just gonna line them with a brown pencil, and then after that apply my AA Beauty Cosmetics Clearly Gloss, and we will be done, period. And I went off camera to stick on my lashes, and that is it, period. Stunning. Oh, one last thing, I applied my mascara on my lower lashes, and yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I really hope you learned something and you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.